Tired of complicated payment processes and messy financial data in your Shopify store? Let's simplify things by integrating Plaid for secure and streamlined bank payments. First, log into your Shopify Admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage your online store and integrate Plaid for seamless bank payments. Now, click on Settings at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will take you to the Settings panel, where you can configure various aspects of your store. Next, navigate to Payments. Here you will see your current payment providers and available options for accepting payments on your Shopify store. Scroll down to the Manual Payment Methods section and click Add Manual Payment Method. We will use this to test the integration before fully implementing it. Choose Create Custom Payment Method. This option allows you to create a custom payment method that you can tailor to your specific needs. Fill in the payment method name as Plaid Test and the payment instructions as Connect Bank Account. Add further instructions to the customer about the testing environment. Open a new tab and go to Plaid.com. Click Sign Up and follow the prompts to create a Plaid account. You'll need to provide your business information. Once your Plaid account is set up, head to your Plaid dashboard and create a new application. This application will be used to connect to your Shopify store. You'll find your client ID as secret key in the Plaid dashboard. Securely copy these credentials. You'll need them for the next steps, not in this video, but for actual integration. Now, to complete the integration fully, you would need to edit your Shopify theme code and implement Plaid's link token using Plaid's documentation. This involves a few more steps. Unlock secure bank payments for your customers. Check out the related videos in the description for the rest of the process. Congratulations, you've taken the first steps toward integrating Plaid with your Shopify store, enabling secure and direct bank payments and streamlining your financial data. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.